Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Binance for Treasure NFT. First, you'll need to create your Binance account. This involves registering with an email or phone number and setting a strong password. Next, complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, by providing necessary documents. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for robust security, protecting your digital assets with an extra layer of defense. Once your Binance account is secure, the next step is to fund it. You have a couple of options here. You can deposit traditional money, known as fiat currency, directly from your bank account or by using a credit or debit card. Another way is to transfer cryptocurrency you already own from a different digital wallet. Make sure you deposit enough to cover your planned crypto acquisitions. With funds in your Binance account, you're ready to acquire the necessary cryptocurrency. Purchase assets like Matic or Ethereum, which are commonly used for NFTs. Then, set up a secure Web3 wallet like MetaMask if you haven't already. This wallet will hold your crypto. Finally, carefully withdraw your purchased cryptocurrency from Binance directly to your new wallet's unique address, double-checking all details. The final step is connecting your wallet to the Treasure NFT marketplace. Visit the official Treasure NFT website. Look for the Connect Wallet option, usually found in the top right corner. Select MetaMask from the available choices and approve the connection within your wallet. Once connected, you are all set to browse, buy, and engage with the exciting world of Treasure NFTs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.